Well, finally, Kumasi Asante Kotoko youth team no April justify your inclusion. Baso. Levels being details no ewa ha me de bro fi ampacho wa ha super 24 TV information we are say to na was here the bro quickly ye nyina ya twen we ya che Kumasi Asante Kotoko youth team Kumasi Asante Kotoko youth team Kumasi Asante Kotoko youth team during coach Gazelle time no ye bia but at the end of the day the team no engine but this time around mpanyifo aye say youth team no ombeye no maye ni ye na abeye the main feeder club for Kumasi Asante Kotoko make say the main players dodo na be free youth team num akọ na ya transition omo into the main team of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. That's the whole project. To say Sada mpanyifo episode omo kono into April busumi information amensa can say by the end of April aye wumi na say justify your inclusion ye wie ni na Kumasi Asante Kotoko enye youth team of under 17 pacho yentie ni enhye nso. It is going to be under 17 and under 20 information abeto me pono so na e wose be blog ma etiefo yensa kano na ye piece of very good news and you team no yenim say Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach Imoro Ibrahim Imoro Ibrahim coach Imoro Park Academy former coach Imoro say assistant Kumasi Asante Kotoko assistant Nibia or no I'm told say he's going to be the main man in charge of this particular one. Peter Midu akwa on the training Park Academy on the sport I'm say Peter Midu Obono. It is going to be something very good. And the last time I am seen otumfo hia no ade we yeah baby asanete sa oko krum ho a homegrown players no it is encouraged justify na players be a bit maba but it is encouraged say senior citizen mutie me wo fa asefo mo abrichine book Kumasi amuntie omo na aso na it is encouraged say yemma Kumasi players omo free Kumasi emma justify no more your person team no is made up of Kumasi players according to meeting a course otum for cry encourages uko football structure bia the homegrown player no tori abon say ohono ni krom ho na hono free hono ball na no de awura team num enu bi ne yepese ye na bibia ye fine not to say yem fa players or elsewhere but the policy of homegrown no ye di wura Kumasi Asante Kotoko num into this particular month by the end of April actual date no eba abontia me de bebreu ewofia but all you have to do is keep an eye on everything yedeba ewofia enya to hope yede bebreu a piece of good news.